and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, episode 15, we're talking about famous people. So let's get started. A simple question could be, have you ever met a celebrity face to face? Your basic answer is yes. I once met a local celebrity at a charity event. It was quite exciting. Or you could say, I had the chance to meet a well-known pop star during a meet and greet session at their concert. It was a surreal experience. Who is your favorite celebrity in your country? This is one of those questions that really benefits from you joining your own personal experience. If your favorite celebrity is a singer from a certain band, talk about that person. Make it more genuine and you'll feel more confident in your speaking. For me, my favourite is a popular actor known as for their versatile roles in movies. Or you could say I'm particularly fond of renowned celebrity who not only excels in acting but also actively supports various social causes. What pop stars do you like? Again, try to make it as personal as you can. Put in the names where relevant. I like listening to pop stars who have catchy melodies and upbeat songs. I have an affinity for pop stars who not only possess incredible vocal prowess, but also use their platform to raise awareness about important issues. Do you prefer listening to a concert record or going to a live show? I enjoy listening to a concert record because they capture the energy of the performance. While concert records are convenient, there's an unmatched thrill in attending a live show and being part of the electrifying atmosphere. Do you want a celebrity? Do you want to be a celebrity? I think being a celebrity sounds exciting, but also I value my privacy. The idea of being a pop star is alluring, but I'm aware of the challenges that come with fame, so I'm content with my current pursuit. Do you read news about celebrities? Yes, I occasionally read news about celebrities to keep up with entertaining updates. I do keep myself informed about celebrity news, as they're often a reflection of pop culture trends and societal influences. Right, that's it for the questions. We're now going to get on to the reading passage, and as always, it's here to inform you and hopefully improve your topic knowledge. Celebrities, whether active musicians or athletes, possess a unique appeal that often transcends their professional achievements. Their lives are frequently under the spotlight, with fans eager to learn about their latest projects, personal milestones, and even fashion dresses. The allure of celebrity status is tied to the idea of achieving recognition and admiration on a grand scale. Pop stars in particular have a substantial impact on pop culture trends. Their music, style, and even catchphrases can become part of the cultural fabric, influencing the way people express themselves and relate to one another. These stars often connect with audiences through relatable lyrics, powerful melodies, and captivating performances. While celebrities' life may seem glamorous, it comes with its own set of challenges. The pressure to maintain an image and fulfill expectations can be overwhelming. Yet, the perks of fame, such as recognition, opportunities, and the ability to make positive changes, often balance out the difficulties. The constant scrutiny from the media and the public can invade personal space and lead to privacy concerns. While technology has made recorded content accessible, the thrill of witnessing a pop star's talent unfold live is irreplaceable. Attending a live concert by a famous pop star is an experience unlike any other. The energy of the crowd, the synergy between the performer and the audience, and the shared excitement create an electrifying atmosphere. As celebrities and pop stars gain influence, they have the ability to use their platform for social change. Many stars advocate for important causes, using their reach to raise awareness and funds. Their commitment to making a difference adds depth to the image beyond their talent. So that's the reading passage. I hope you found it informative. Next, we're going to go on to vocabulary, expressions and phrases that you can incorporate into your everyday language. So when describing celebrities and pop stars, you could say things like famous musician, A-list celebrity, rising star, renowned actor or actress, iconic figure. When talking about fame, you can talk about gaining recognition, achieving acclaim, attaining stardom, back in the limelight, or garnering admiration. When talking about influence and impact, you can talk shaping public opinion, shaping culture, setting trends, making a mark on culture, influence societal norms. Describing performances, you can electrifying performance, captivating stage presence, enthralling live show, engaging concert, energetic set. And when navigating fame, you can talk maintaining an image, juggling responsibilities, balancing public and private life, and handling the spotlight. When expressing preference, I'm particularly fond of, I have a soft spot for, I'm drawn to, I'm captivated by, I'm quite taken with. Discussing impact and legacy, leaves an indelible mark, leaves a profound impact, contributes to the cultural landscape, leaves a positive footprint, leaves a lasting impression. Now, we're going on to the paraphrasing exercises. We have questions, statements, and descriptions. So, have you ever met celebrities face to face? Have you had any personal encounters with famous individuals? Do you prefer listening to a concert record or going to a live show? Which do you lean towards more enjoying, recording concerts or attending live performances? Do you want to be a celebrity? Are you interested in pursuing a celebrity status? Paraphrase the statement. I enjoy reading news about celebrities to stay updated on their activities. I find it interesting to keep up with the latest happenings in the lives of celebrities through news coverage. My favourite pop star has a strong influence on modern music trends. The pop star I admire greatly impacts and shapes the current trends in the world of music. The celebrity's journey from obscurity to fame is inspiring to many. The transformation of the celebrity from being relatively unknown to achieving fame serves as a source of inspiration for numerous people. And the last one, paraphrasing descriptions. I wish you luck. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.